This video presents our motorhome on the trailer ready for sale under the basic zero option. Please pay attention to the ground clearance behind our motorhome. It is larger than has most off-road vehicles. This makes it possible for a person with minimal skill in towing to get this trailer to its destination. Let us explain why, in addition to the main option of selling a completely finished motorhome, we offer the basic zero option for sale. There is a category of people who love to make things with their own hands. On the one hand, they enjoy doing this job. On the other hand, they will get this motorhome for themselves at a cheaper price. We also took into account that most buyers are accustomed that manufacturer offering to do whatever the buyer wants in their incoming motorhome. This proposal from the manufacturers is disingenuous. Some customer wishes cannot be realized at any cost. It is impossible to do anything because the designer, when designing, must coordinate and execute many conditions and parameters. For example, the European Union has approved standards for connection gas equipment and standards for gas line. So, if this is not innately included in the project, it is impossible to place and connect any gas equipment in motorhome. If the heating and ventilation ducts are incorrectly located, then the cost of heating and power supply increase in several times. Therefore, it is impossible to place the heating system in any way and use equipment not approved for in the project. Let's consider what happens when in a motorhome which receives electricity from rechargeable battery and additional equipment with a power of only 120 watt is used on an ongoing basis. In this case, will be an additional 10 ampere current flow in the wire from the rechargeable battery in the motorhome. The electrical network of many stationary houses are designed for a maximum current of 17 ampere. An additional 10 ampere current in the electrical network of a motorhome is a significant problem if this is not included in the design. I have seen a motorhome which the side of the refrigerator is in contact with electrical oven. This solution is technical stupidity. Let's give a short list of what we can change in a motorhome under the request of the customer. We can change the interior finishing material and the range of their colors. We can provide the customer by mattresses with the desired thickness, softness and surface material in the overall dimensions specified by the project. We can provide a variety of seating options to choose from. We can provide a choice of gas stoves with different number of burners, and we can additionally supply an air conditioner and microwave oven. A complete list of possible motorhome equipment is listed in our website. We did not set ourselves the task to make a motorhome as well as possible. As construction progressed, we seek to fix known design problem of motorhome. For example, the problem of the entrance door lock of motorhome took us about a week to be fixed. Most commercially available motorhome entrance door locks are not protected against water from rain getting into them. Locks are not protected at all if a raindrop falls from the side onto the lock. As a result, the lock quickly falls into disrepair. Owner of motorhomes, truck drivers, fix this problem with lock as best they can. It must be taken into account that this lock secures significant material assets. In addition, in our motorhome, the thickness of the walls and door is almost 3 times thicker than in a regular motorhome. We have fixed this problem so that in our motorhome is used type of lock that can be put in any country because they have standard size. This type of lock have different degree of protection for the buyer to choose from. And moreover, in our motorhome the lock on the outside of the door will be protected from rain by a rubber pad. There were many such technical problems during the construction of the motorhome, and we fixed them step by step. Now you see the supporting structure for the mattress of the second floor bed. It is designed for a person's weight at least 120 kilograms, and accordingly you see how it is fixed. All partitions for the shower, toilet, cupboard and wardrobe have been installed. The floor is covered with OSB sheets so that it does not get dirty during work. In further videos, we will tell you and show you how, at our discretion, we will do the interior decoration of our motorhome.